Zachary, this is what all kids who have access to banisters do sometime or another in their life. Yeah. Happens to everybody. Christopher, what's the matter?
I got my head under the stairs.
You caught your head under the stairs? Can you get out?
No.
Do you need some help?
But Zachary did good things too. I'm telling him to pull his head out because that's how I always get out.
Do you think you can move your head and get it out of the rail? Can you try? Try harder.
I'm never going to do that again. I know I'll get stuck.
Well, Zachary, do you think you need some help?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You want Daddy to help you or Mommy to help you?
Daddy, help you?
Okay, I'll help you.
Okay.
Okay.
Dad,
Hey, Zachary, how should I get him out?
cut the stair with a knife.
Do what?
Maybe cut the stair with a saw.
I should cut the stair with a saw?
Yeah.
Is that what I should do, KB?
I always pull my head out.
Well, let's see if I can help you.